Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about a concept in React known as lifecycle methods. Let's look at lifecycle methods in React as the things that happens or the methods that are executed from when a React component is launched to when it ends. For example, the render method, which is always used in our components, is a lifecycle method. There are other lifecycle methods we are going to talk about. So one lifecycle method we will learn about is component did mount, written like so. Say component. This method literally means that it's going to run as soon as your component is mounted on the screen. Now take note, this method does not go away and come back, or should I say this method does not unmount and remount. This lifecycle method will only run once while the component is showing up on the screen. So features like re-render that renders the component over again will not affect this lifecycle method if the component is re-rendered. There are other lifecycle methods that the React team have deprecated or will deprecate that we won't talk about in this course. These are lifecycle methods like components will receive props, components will unmount, and some more. For now, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch the next video where we shall be using component did mount to do something very interesting.